So my name is Alison Tardeville. I'm a physiotherapy team leader for YGC and Royal Alex. We've had a project recently trying to move therapy services, outpatients from Glenclwyd to the Royal Alex. This has taken roughly about 10 to 12 weeks to complete the project, which has been regenerating the old Ward 1 and Ward 2 in the Alex. It's been a very exciting project and I've loved managing it. The services that I've come across have included cardiac rehabilitation, pulmonary rehabilitation, paediatric clinics, dietetics clinics, speech and language clinics, musculoskeletal and chronic pain services for outpatient services, urogynae services for outpatients, and various other smaller clinics. We've also got neurological services and a specialist hand therapy unit, which the rheumatology physiotherapist and occupational therapist will be using. Already on this site we have community services, which will hopefully streamline, improve our communication with those services so we can work better together for the patient. But overall, really, this project has meant that we've brought the care into the community, and it's a lot more local to the patients. So Royal Alex is based within the town, it's on a bus route, it's on the front, and it's in walking distance of a lot of patients' homes. So for us, I think it's a fantastic directional move for therapy services, and I think I'm really proud to be part of the project, and I thank everybody that's been involved in it.